Hey affiliates, are you ready to see the list of the 5 highest grossing weight loss products on ClickBank for all of 2024? I know I am, so hopefully you guys are too, and super excited. Let's jump into it. So in this video, I'm spotlighting ClickBank's best performing weight loss offers this year, from game-changing supplements to transformational digital programs. Even better, these top sellers are still available to promote right now, just in time for New Year, New You crowd looking for weight loss solutions in January. So open up your presents early because this video is going to tell you everything you need to know to start off 2025 right. So let's jump into it with number 5. We have HoneyBurn. This offer is just as sweet as it sounds. HoneyBurn is a groundbreaking product designed to naturally boost the body's lipase levels, a key enzyme that breaks down fat and prevents new fat from forming. It features a unique blend of 11 powerful natural ingredients, from purple honey to wild raspberry. That sounds delicious and a little bit weird, but it works. HoneyBurn's formula works to help people achieve sustainable weight loss while still enjoying their favorite foods and drinks. Win-win. And customers with a 3 or 6 bottle order will receive 2 epic bonus guides: the Beekeeper's Fat Burning Sweets and the Beekeeper's Medicine Cabinet. Man, beekeepers must be fit and sexy, and you can too if you start promoting this offer. You'll probably be the most interested in HoneyBurn's average EPC, which is over 1.2, and converting well across email, native, YouTube, and Facebook. Written by a $1 million copywriter, HoneyBurn's VSL and TSLs deliver conversions like clockwork, especially for audiences age 45 plus interested in alternative weight loss solutions and energy boosters. Commission bumps are available for high volume affiliates. So if you're a rock star, definitely get started on this today because you get even more commissions than the great commissions they start out with. EPCs are at 1.24. The average payout to affiliates are $130.91. And the hop conversion rate here is a very sweet 1.02. So let's buzz on over to our number 4 weight loss offer of the year. And we have Slim Crystals. And these aren't just great crystals that are slim, but Slim Crystal is actually a bottle designed to promote healthy weight loss, better digestion, and increased energy levels by revitalizing water with powerful natural crystals. Oh, mystical and beautiful. Each Slim Crystal bottle contains a unique blend of 9 crystals, not nutrients, crystals, that have been used for decades by crystal healing experts to improve health and well-being. Customers could lose weight naturally and feel happier by drinking 2 to 3 liters of water from these bottles daily. I mean, at the end of the day, at least people are drinking more water, even if it's crystal water. For affiliates, Slim Crystal is proven to perform with over 3 million commissions paid out. I just want to say it again. 3 million commissions paid out. Affiliates can expect an average payout of more than $120, with the offer converting well across email, Facebook, and Google ads. With a strong upsell flow that includes a complimentary slimming tea offer, Slim Crystal drives high-value sales, and commission bumps are available for high-volume affiliates. So again, if you crush, you want to crush with this offer, you'll get paid a lot more. So get started on the marketplace right now, but let me share some of those stats. Again, this converts very well. We have the 0.52 blended number. We have the average payouts for each affiliate, $123.79, and a conversion rate of 0.46. So Slim Crystal has been doing well for a long time. And honestly, guys, you should buy the product because it is one you will not forget. Just creating a pattern disrupt for you guys as we recap 2024 to make sure that you subscribe to our content, to make sure you're getting all the best content as it comes out, and hit the bell at the top so you're notified. That way you don't miss out on the next big offer, the next big marketing strategy, or the next piece of information that's going to change your business, and you could get to it before everybody else does. Hope you have a great 2024 and looking forward to an even better 2025. Let's jump back in. Let's jump up to number 3, Fast Lean Pro. Our number 3 weight loss offer, Fast Lean Pro, is a cutting-edge supplement designed to trigger the body's natural fasting switch, supporting weight loss without the need for extended fasting periods. Based on the latest scientific discoveries, this unique formula contains 6 natural ingredients that trick the brain into thinking you're fasting. That's much better than really fasting, enabling fat burning and cell regeneration, even if the customer is eating regularly. Hooray, that sounds awesome, right guys? Now for affiliates, it gets even better because Fast Lean Pro offers impressive results with an average payout of $146 across multiple traffic sources, including email, native, Google, and Facebook. And I bet you could probably make it work on TikTok and other sources as well. The product's VSL was written by an A-list copywriter and is proven to convert. Affiliates can access 4 different intros to customize their promotions and receive instant commission bumps for volume sales. If you have a broad audience of 45 or older with interest in alternative weight loss solutions or body rejuvenation, then Fast Lean Pro is the affiliate product for you. You want to test it today because it's converting great. It's going to convert now, but you don't want too many people blitzing on it right off the get-go. So we have EPCs at 0.79, an average payout of a whopping 1.46 even. And you know, the fact that there's no sense of that means it's a good omen, guys. You definitely want to go with this offer. The average conversion rate is at 0.65%. So let's continue our countdown and get to our second offer. In spot number 2, we have Energia, a unique supplement targeting the root cause of stubborn belly fat and premature aging with an exotic blend of plant ingredients. Energia's one-of-a-kind formula includes fat-burning lipase from rare ingredients like GHG, Caralluma fimbrita, and Nigella sativa. Nigella sativa sounds like a weird THC Nigella brand, but anyway, it has no sugars and no artificial fillers. Manufactured in the US under GMP guidelines, each capsule undergoes rigorous third-party testing to ensure purity so your customers get the right product and get those slim bodies that they're looking for. For you as an affiliate, Energia offers sky-high commissions with up to $426 per sale. $426 for just one sale. And 85% commissions by default. So this is a big payout right from the get-go. The offer converts to well with warm and cold traffic, and you'll get access to proven email swipes with tips on how to maximize conversions based on performance. Energia's whitelist only program ensures the highest earning potential for approved affiliates. So if you think you're up for it, apply right now to promote Energia today, and you will not be disappointed. The EPCs are coming in at 0.77, and the average payout, again, $157.42. This thing is just a fat stack of cash waiting to happen for you, and conversion rates at 0.54%. You'll be energized with Energia. So, as we get to the last video of the year and the last countdown for the top offer and weight loss for 2024, we come with a classic that almost feels like they have been with ClickBank since we started, and that is Eat, Stop, Eat. This classic weight loss offer is authored by the incomparable Brad Pilon and leverages 317 peer-reviewed scientific studies on intermittent fasting. Let's say that one more time, guys. 317 peer-reviewed articles. Only AI could go through that, and this was made well before that. The program promises a 700% increase in fat-burning hormones, better hunger control, reduced stress hormones, and faster weight loss. Brad's no-nonsense approach clearly explains why intermittent fasting, when done right, delivers long-term benefits, including reduced inflammation and cellular renewal. For affiliates, Eat, Stop, Eat stands as the #1 intermittent fasting offer since 2007, paying over $2.3 million to affiliates over that time frame. And just to pause for a second, I want you guys to know that intermittent fasting consistently shows up on Google Trend reports over keto and almost every other diet out there. So this offer is not only very, very effective, it's topical. With a personalized funnel that doubles conversions, affiliates can earn over $2 in EPCs from email traffic and benefit from a 40% upsell conversion rate. Woo! That is good. Affiliates can even earn up to $500 more per sale from supplement upsells and the Eat, Stop, Eat funnel. $500 extra dollars on the table for already very high converting offer. This offer is available in hard copy, digital, or both. And when by hard copies, they actually get a physical product if they want it for the program. And all you need to know about that is it lowers refund rates, so you're going to keep even more of the money that you make when you end up selling this product. It also has strong social proof from Amazon and Goodreads, and you can find out more about Eat, Stop, Eat and apply for 90% commission rates on their tools page below. So let's recap here. The EPCs at $0.7, but again, you can see well over $2 for this offer. Average payout at $14.59. It's a digital offer, so it's a little bit lower on the price point, but we gotta get really excited for this final number here because it is gonna blow away all the other conversion rates we just heard, and that is a conversion rate of 5.08%, and this is an offer that goes back since 2007. This is what I mean. Just because it's been going on for a long time doesn't mean it doesn't matter right now. This is living proof for it, and boy, is it topical right now. So strap in, get ready, and promote Eat, Stop, Eat. Whew! And again, you might tell yourself, well, these are old offers. It's probably too late to do this. I'm too late to the game. But don't forget, right now we're coming up on Q1, which is the new me, new year, new me kind of time of life. It's when everyone wants to flock to get a better body, maybe get their honey body or whatever they might need to slim down. And you could actually take these offers, maybe if they were really, really successful in the past, but they haven't been getting as much attention in the end of the year, and promote them during the hot time, and they will almost guarantee convert for you in an amazing way. So now is the time to get started. Pick these offers and select them so you could have the Q1 that's gonna blow your mind and make 2025 a year to remember. Aside from all these great weight loss products, if you want to find out about the latest and greatest trending offers on ClickBank, be sure to check out the top offer segment here on YouTube and on our blog linked in the description below. Until then, guys, have an amazing rest of your season. Have a great 2025, and hopefully we'll be talking about your top offer next year when we share this segment again. Until next time.